Civil authorities from damn near everywhere have issued a drug Cupid alert, effective until midnight February 16th. There have been multiple reports of a drug Cupid that reeks of vodka and love ballads going around and terrorizing little girls and ripping their hearts out. His weapons of choice is a bow and arrow. The drunk little baby has terrorized little girls in the following states: Vermont, Maine, Ohio, North Carolina and South Carolina. And for some reason, Nova Scotia. Is this the end of the world? Probably. This is a huge-ass problem. It even has people like the engineer from Team Fortress 2 saying,
"I'm Wolverine mean, you son of a bitch."
Protector Angie ran all the way to Oklahoma to help fight off this drunk little shit, but so far it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are now receiving word that the alcoholic little baby is going around naked and ripping people's hearts out. LOL. Anyway, as I was saying, wait a second. Why do I hear footsteps? Oh goddamn cow shit, that looks like more shit. The alcoholic baby has entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not shove that bow and arrow up my ass.